This video will demonstrate how you can quickly find results you are looking for by applying drop-down filters, sliders, and sorting methods for the creatives in Anstrex Push Spy tool. Let's first look at all the available filters and sort methods to gain an understanding of what each one does. The type filter isolates the creatives by the ad type. There are two options available in this drop-down. First one is the classic push notification ad, which either works through web push notifications in desktop devices or in-app push notifications in mobile devices. Second one is in-page push notification, which shows up inside a web page like a pop-up ad, but looks like a push notification. Ad network filter allows you to find ads that are running on ad networks such as Rich Ads, Propeller, Clickstar, etc. Geo filter allows you to select ads by target country. Device filter allows you to find ads targeted towards either desktop PC, Mac, Android, and tablet devices. Language filter allows you to find ads with specific language in the creative text field. If an ad is found to be associated with an affiliate network, you can use the affiliate network filter to find such ads. The tracker filter identifies ads which are using specific third-party trackers such as Volume, RedTrack, etc. Now let's look at each available sorting method and what each one means. Most popular, recent. This sorting method will show you the recently running popular ads. Most popular, overall. This method sorts ads by its overall popularity during its entire running duration. Date first seen, ascending. This sorting method shows the ads in ascending order by its launch date. Date first seen, descending. This sorting method shows the ads in descending order by the date first seen. Date last seen, ascending. This sorting method shows the ads in ascending order by the date last seen. Date last seen, descending. This sorting method shows the ads in descending order by date on which they were last seen. Shortest running. This method sorts ads by its duration, with shortest running ads showing first. Longest running. This method sorts ads by its duration, with longest running ads showing first. Finally, let's understand the various available sliders. Days running. Slider. It is basically duration filter that allows you narrow down your search by choosing a minimum and maximum value in days that ads have been running for. Ad strength. Slider. It allows you to view and filter ads with specific ad strength range. Ad strength parameter is measured and updated on a daily basis and is primarily a function of number of impressions it is receiving on a daily basis. Ad gravity slider. It allows you to view and filter ads with specific ad gravity range. Ad gravity parameter shows high values only if the ad is currently running or has recently run with high impression count. This value starts falling if the ad stops running, and therefore it is an important parameter to find recently successful ads. Please note that you can also manually enter specific values for each slider by clicking on the numeric value. Before we put these filters to action, please remember that you can select multiple values from each filter type and apply them simultaneously. Now let's apply some filters. Let's say I want to see ads from Clickstar network from 2 different countries, Vietnam and India, running on Android devices. I will first apply Clickstar Ad Network filter. Next, I will select India from the Geo filter drop-down. I will again use the Geo filter drop-down to select Vietnam. Finally, I will apply Android filter from the device drop-down. Please note that when you select any filter, you will see a check mark against the filter to indicate that the particular filter is already in use. In addition, you will see all the applied filters in this area. Each filter has its own individual label, and you can disable a filter by clicking on the X button. Finally, we will apply a sorting method to view the ads which have launched recently by selecting the Date First Seen Descending filter. There you have it. The results here show you all the Clickstar ads on Android devices with geo-targeting of India and Vietnam and ordered by the launch date. I hope this video demonstrated the utility and application of various available filters in the top creative section of Anstrex Native product. I will see you in another video. Until then, cheers.